Hi, are you also confronted in finding the right solution of heating and air conditioning for historical buildings? Good news! I would like to invite you to our next webinar on the topic Heating and Air Conditioning for Historical Buildings. By these buildings, we mean a wide range of historical objects such as castles, churches, industrial buildings, or even prison we had also in our projects. The monumental protection and especially the architectures make it complicated to accommodate conventional type of heating and air conditioning technologies. Kampmann has been involved in renovation of historical buildings for many years and has equipped hundreds of such buildings. Due to the variety of our systems, we can offer tailor-made solutions that meet the requirements. In our webinar, we would like to show you some completed projects and the solutions we are allowed to use for them. Find out how historical buildings are brought back to comfort life. Be there and be inspired.